What's up, everybody? I'm back with another tool deal video, and today we have a few more deals coming to you. Let's go ahead and check them out. First off, up at Home Depot, we have a few deals on a special buy for those home DIY mechanics. We have some, I've always been curious of these little lifts, portable lifts. Y'all leave y'all experience with them in the comments because the reviews look good. Moving on, let's get to some tools. Some power tools. We have this Milwaukee mid-torque impact wrench with two 6 amp hour batteries, a charger for $249. Not bad considering that this impact wrench is about $229 itself. I've seen it on sale for $199. Then we also have this angle grinder for the same $249, and this hacksaw deal $179 there. The jigsaw $249, and this is also not a bad price for this cutoff tool with the 2.5 amp hour high output battery. But we have some much better deals than this, so don't you worry your pretty little head. These are nothing to like really, stand on the corner holding up signs about, but they're not terrible. Moving on. Oh, don't forget your router. That's not bad at all right there, that router. All right. So moving on over to Amazon, we have this Klein Tools Impact Driver Set 20-in-1, $29.98, marked down for $59.98. Good deal there. We also have this Rigid Starter Kit. So this is super interesting because it's a BOGO. So it's $139 for this, two 4-amp-hour batteries, and then the charger. And you get to choose from this mid-torque impact wrench, this 7.25-inch circular saw, or this reciprocating saw. Now, if you were really genuinely interested in a tool, I would say obviously get the circular saw, which is good, or this impact wrench, which is also pretty good. But if you live in an area like this, Upper Marlboro store, I don't know what's going on with the Upper Marlboro store, because it's like everything is on clearance over there. So you click this, the clearance price is $99. So $99, and yes, it's still a BOGO. So you get this for $99, and then you get to choose one of these tools. And you get all that for $99, or it even break down to where you can hack it so you can return something else. I think if you got like the impact wrench, I think the starter kit becomes like $30-something, and then the impact wrench is like $60-something, $67 or something like that. Crazy deal right there. That's it. Moving on, we have this Bosch reciprocating saw. I did show you the Metabo HPT reciprocating saw over at Menards yesterday for $129, which is an insane deal. But this is also very good considering it's a whole kit. So you get this reciprocating saw, has a nice rafter hook, has the orbital function. It looks like this shoe is completely removable. I can see that it articulates. I think this is the latch right here. You will pull this down and it'll allow you to adjust the shoe. I'm not sure. I'm guessing on that right now, but I do know that it adjusts to some degree. And you get a free charger and an 8-amp hour battery, okay? And all these batteries from Bosch, these are the core batteries, and they have the 21700 cells, so it's a high output battery, $159. Not a bad deal at all. And don't forget your Rakuten over here. Use the link in the description to sign up for free, and you'll get a bonus $30 on top of the 2% cash back. And if you already did that, go ahead and use Retail Me Not to get yourself 6% cash back on this purchase. Now, going back to Home Depot, we have this M12 oscillating tool with a 5-amp hour high output battery and 2.5 amp hour high output battery with a charger. And it comes with a free 2.5 amp hour battery. So this is, for those of you that might feel uncomfortable doing the so-called hack and returning something, this should ease your fears, because it's basically coming with a redundant battery. And you can say, hey, look, I ain't need this because the kit already came with a battery, so I just want to return this. You get your $58.74 back, and you end up $170.26 all in for the very good M12 oscillating tool with those two batteries. Not a bad deal at all there. Moving on, if you were just looking for the batteries, $99 to get you this kit for the 5-amp hour high output battery and the 2.5 amp hour high output battery and the charger. When you look at it that way, it's like getting this oscillating tool for $70. I mean, I don't know. I think I'll probably just go this route anyway and sell said oscillating tool. And then you get this kit even cheaper if you just simply wanted the batteries. And last, we have this rigid deal. So they're having a sale on the new rigid storage systems. So these have the drawer. So you got the drawer right here. You add this rolling toolbox attachment, and it hacks out to be $67 for this drawer system and $33 for the rolling toolbox attachment. Now, my question for those of you that have the Gen 1 and the Gen 2, are these interchangeable? They look like they are. Let's go back to the listing. They look like they might be because this is exactly how the Gen 1 latched. And I'm seeing these little indentations. I'm not near mine right now, but man, oh man, would I love to have some drawers, because it sucks to have to get something from the bottom and remove everything from the top and then go on down there. I would just prefer to have something like this and it attached to the old ones. These look like the old ones, aren't they? They are the old ones. Or is this a new one? I don't know. Anyway, answer in the comments below. Is the Gen 2 compatible with the Gen 1? It probably says it in the description somewhere here, but I didn't have any time to read. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. Hopefully you found some value. Fully compatible with Rigid Processor 2.0 and 1.0 products. So there you go. Grab this bad boy for $67. Sweet deal. And also, real quick before I end this thing, this one is also for sale as well. So there you go there. Same type of deal. You add this and then it'll, BOGO out to reducing this right here. So anyway, that's it for today's video. Hope you got some value from it. Hit that like button if you did. Subscribe so you don't miss any deals in the future. Share this with your brethren, and I will see you guys next time.